So Ahan attended 2 days workshop with us, ma'am, Super Brain Training. Please share your experience end of the second day.
Today we saw him live doing all the tricks and I don't know what to say, what word to use. We saw him doing many activities and it amazed us like anything. Literally I was very emotional. I really don't have any words to express, but the super brain, the midbrain has really activated in just 2 days.
Thank you, thank you. Please share your experience, sir, when Ahan was doing with closed eyes.
No, honestly to say, I'm still in a shock. I still did not recover from that, and all the kids performing like this just in 2 days, I don't think it's an easy task. Some real training has gone into their minds. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's really working for the kids, and Ahan really amazed us, thrilled us, and we are still in a shock. And he's able to do lot many things in closed eyes. Many people with open eyes itself are not able to perform so many things. But today only I understood that even in closed eyes, a human can do so many things, identifying and sorting and all. Really amazing, really amazing.
It is not only doing things in blindfold, sir. This is to increase the consciousness. Human brain is so powerful, we are not using it. So they are using the other dimensions of the brain, which will help them to increase their concentration, observation, memory power, long-term memories. Anything, whatever they learn, the speed will increase, the learning curve is very sharp. They can learn answers very quickly. Not only quickly, they can remember it for a long time. The concept they'll understand very clearly. That is what we want.
Yes.
So that change will be there. So they'll be
We are
using the other
actually excited
dimensions
to see all the changes henceforth also.
So today's transformation itself is like no words to express. Now, if the same can be applied to the real life and if we can read well and perform well, I think it's really priceless, I would say.
I strongly recommend this.
Thank you. Congratulations, Ahan. Congratulations to both of you, ma'am, taking this decision.
Thank you, ma'am.
Helping your child to lead a stress life, because in this nowadays, everyone is going through a lot of stress. This is something, if anything becomes easy for them. Yes, Ahan?
Yeah. But our sincere gratitude to you.
Seriously, ma'am. No words, no words.
If we weren't here, then we wouldn't have experienced this. And I think we are in the right place at the right time for him to grow up. And it's just turning 10 years. He's not even 10. So at this time, if he's able to understand what his potential is, and if he can accelerate, I think he can do really wonders in life.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.